Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Score with me. Today we are here with a very small simplification trick or speed trick to solve two-digit numbers ending in 5. So this trick will help you find the squares or multiply the numbers ending in 5. Okay, so let us start with the question itself. So let me take the numbers which I already know. We know that 15 square is 225, and even before that 5 square is 25, and then 25 square is 625. Now if we see the sequence, we can find that each of these numbers end in 25, isn't it? So 5 square is 25, nothing is there before it is 0. 15 square is 25, so 5 square 25, again a 5 over here, 25. So with this pattern we understand that any number which ends in 5, its square will get 25. So let us see how did we arrive at 625. So 25 square is any number ending in 5, its last two digits will be 25. So 5 square will be 25. Okay, and the number preceding 5, so here it is 2. The number preceding 25, if we need to get the number, we need to multiply the number in tens place by the number after that. So 2 multiplied by 3, the number after 2 will give me 6, and that is how we get 25 square as 625. Let me take another example and show 35 square. What is 35 square? Any number which ends in 5, its square is also going to end in 25. So last two digits is 25 for sure, so that is kept here. Now what is the number preceding 3? Preceding 5, it is 3, and the number next to 3 is 4. So 3 into 4 will give me 12. So I have here 1, 2, 2, 5. Next, what will be the square of 55? Since I have 5 here at the end, my last two digits are 25 for sure. 5 in tens place. So the number preceding 25 will be 5 multiplied by the number after 5, that is 6. So 5 into 6 is 30. So I will have here. Okay. Now what is 95 square? 5 square in units place indicates that last two digits will be 25, and the number before 25 or the number preceding 25 is the number 9 multiplied by the number after 9. So 9 into 10 will give me 90. So my square is 9025. Now, having seen the squares of numbers ending in 5 that were only 2-digit, now we come to 3-digit numbers. The same pattern is applicable even to 3-digit numbers which end in 5. So for example, we need to find the square of 125. Here again the same pattern is being followed. That means the units place we have 5. So as we already saw, since there is 5 in units place, its square is going to definitely end in 25. So what is the number preceding 25 is the same pattern as we saw earlier, 12 multiplied by the number succeeding 12. So 12 into 13 will be the number preceding 25. 12 into 13 is going to be 156. So 156 comes here. So not only for 2-digit, even for 3-digit, the same pattern gets followed and we get the number ending in 25. So till now we have seen the squares of numbers ending in 5 that give us both 2-digit multiplication and 3-digit numbers, both ending in 5. Okay, now we'll come to another set of numbers. We have another set of numbers which follow approximately or near or less the same pattern. So let us analyze before that how did we get the square of 25. So 25 square was 25 into 25, and that gave us 625. And similarly 45 into 45, and that whatever the 4 5s are 20, and that was 2025. Okay, so this pattern, how did we get it? If you analyze these numbers ended in 5. These numbers ended in 5, and the sum of these digits 5 plus 5 give us 10. Here again the sum of 5 and 5 gives us 10, and see the numbers that are in the tens place. Tens place you have got 2 and 2, that means they are same. Here again 4 and 4, these are same. So this gives us a set of numbers which can follow the same pattern other than the numbers ending in 5. So here if the numbers are ending in 5, but we still have got certain set of numbers that can give us the number 10 as the sum. So we'll see such numbers. The first one being 22 multiplied by 28. If you want to see here, 2 plus 8 will give you the sum of the digits as 10. And then in the tens place, 2 and 2 are the same. So they can also follow the same pattern. So when we multiply, we can get the result as 2 into 8 as 16. Here we got 5 into 5 gave us 25. Here 2 into 8 is going to give us 16. Same way, the same pattern we had followed. Now the tens place, 2, 2 they are same. Here also 2, 2 they were same. So how did we get 6? 2 next number, 2 into 3 when multiplied gave us 6. Here again 2 and 2 is same. So same pattern, 2's next number. So 2 into 3 should give us the answer as 616. Another example with the number starting with 2. Again we'll take 27 into 23. If you have to observe, 7 plus 3 will give us the sum as 10. So this pattern should be applicable here as well. And the tens place, they are the same, 2 and 2. So the numbers will give us the answer as 7 3s are 21. So the numbers end in 21, product ends in 21, and the number preceding that will be 2 multiplied by the next number. 2's next number is 6, 2 3s are 6. So 21 is the. Let us take few more examples. 31 into 39, how will we do here? Here 9 into 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, that condition should be kept in mind. 9 plus 1 should give us 10, and the numbers in tens place, digits in tens place should also be the same. So 9 into 1 should give us 9. It should be a 2-digit number. See here, 21, 16. So we will have 0, 9 here. Just have that particular point in mind. Then 3's next number is 4. So 3 4s are 12. So 1209 should be the answer. Let's go with some more things. 32 into 38. 2 plus 8 should give us 10. Only then we'll get the product here. 8 2s are 16. The number will be 3 4s are 12. So 1216. We can have 34 into 36. Again 6 4s are 24. Here 6 4s are 24. 4 plus 6 is 10. And the numbers are same. So 3 into 4 will give us 3 4s are 12. Okay, if we are going to go with 74 into 76, 4 plus 6, 10. So the product will be 4 6 are 24 here. And 7 8s are 56. 7's next number multiply. These are the numbers if we have which follow the same pattern similar to that. This makes us the multiplication very easy, and this holds major place when it comes for simplification as a question for say for example bank exam, clerk exam, or whatever exams. So in simplification this can be done within 2 to 3 seconds without actual multiplication. Just apply the particular technique and complete your calculation in 2 seconds. So with this, let me stop this video, and if you found this video interesting, engaging and helpful, please do subscribe to the channel to get further videos whenever they are uploaded, and like and share the videos as well. Thank you.